Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. Here are some beautiful, amazing crochet homemade wall hanging wreath on your screen. Simple, easy, mind-blowing ideas and design. Every handmade craft had a beautiful s- story behind. This crafting is special for winter and cozy Christmas. If you want some DIY tutorials, you can visit my channel step by step and DIY projects which can easily apply on your upcoming Christmas event and any kind of party. How to decorate your home, how to make Christmas ornaments. Step by step tutorial for your beautiful Christmas DIY bow. If you like the video, so please must share the video with your friends and family and post your valuable comments, your suggestions, your valuable thoughts. We will working on it and upload my next project according to your suggestion, your thoughts, your well imagination. If you're new, so please must subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and be the part of our family. Really appreciate your support, your kind attention. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful and amazing Christmas ahead.